What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the O-ring on the oil cap. Super simple. First thing you need to do is, of course, take the oil cap off of your car. Over here, and the tools you're going to be needing is a flathead screwdriver. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to take your flathead screwdriver and you're going to put it on the bottom here, and you're going to apply the O-ring up. And once you get it up, you're going to take the O-ring and then you're going to pull the O-ring around this little metal, I don't know what to call this little metal stick thing. You're going to pull the O-ring around that. You're going to pull the O-ring around this little metal stick thing. And that's how you take the O-ring off of the oil cap. You're going to take the new O-ring, and then the same thing, you're going to take the O-ring, make sure the smooth side is pointing downwards and then the rigged side is pointing upwards. So then you're going to take the O-ring and you're going to pull it around. You're going to put it under the little metal stick thing. You're going to pull it around the other side. Oh, it's a little hard. You're going to pull it around the other side. And once you do that, you're going to push it down and make sure it's flush around the whole oil cap. So make sure it's flush, and that's all you have to do. Once you got that done, then you're just going to take your oil cap, and then you're going to put it back on your car. Simple as that. That's how you guys change the O-ring on the oil cap. I'll link down in the description below on where I got this O-ring from. Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.